Hand out, 6-all. Nine, 7. Right.
Oh, it's beautiful power hitting. Oh, that's savage width. So El Shorbagy having to turn on the
game
liquid nitrogen when it really counted in that game ball. This is brilliant.
Maybe the fact that he is tired is feeling that game from yesterday. It's just freed him up even more, so he's being very proactive and positive with the shots.
Oh, he is. He's got 3 game balls here, and he's letting the racket head do the talking. He's mixing his paces intelligently. He's not always trying to out-hit with Shorbagy because that wouldn't be wise. And there's the headless chicken.
11-7, game to Selby, 1 game all. Yep.
Well, it's a very good shot, but then look at the width. We talked about that earlier.
4-1.
Yeah, well, it's again the wingspan. I mean, it's just easy and it's balanced. But the younger Egyptian possibly pulling away at 7-4.
Well, I think another couple of points or another point and Daryl Selby could potentially look to have a breather here in this game.
So Hamid El Shorbagy with 6 game balls for a 2-1 lead. Looking a lot calmer. And there's the unforced error.
11-4,
so Daryl Selby
game to El Shorbagy.
will have to regroup, and he certainly will in this 3rd game intermission.
Yep.
Well, it's another perfect weight of shot. The ball is dying off. And if you manage to hit that correctly, then it's a nightmare for your opponent to get back, and nigh on impossible there. Well, and that error from Daryl Selby.
El Shorbagy 11-9, 7.
Well, Hamid El Shorbagy manages to shake off a dangerous Daryl Selby. 11-9, 7-11, 11-4, 11-2. 3 games to 1.
He's having to work so hard, though, isn't he? The intensity he's having to put into this rally, I mean, it's ridiculous, and it just shows how hard it is to actually win points against Gaultier.
Well, that's the squeeze. It's just frustrating as an opponent that you put in those hard miles. You increase the pace, you try to be positive, and then Gaultier absorbs. When he has an opportunity, he puts in a shot like that.
Well, all of a sudden, Golan's starting to win a few points here.
5-6.
You can look at the way that Gaultier is moving around the court, and for him, he's sort of ambling around, and that's just a sign that Golan's not able to do enough to break up the movement of Gaultier, to break up those patterns, and you just feel that Gaultier will do this all day.
It's going to be a let.
Yes, let.
Somehow,
well, he's going to question the pickup, but I think that was fine.
We saw all of them good.
So Gaultier closes out the 1st game. We'll have a little look at this. Here's the pickup. Yeah, clearly good from the elastic Frenchman.
Yes, let.
Just slightly scrappy there.
2-4.
We'll just see from the sky view.
From the right, please.
There's not much contact, is there?
Well, it'd be good to.
There was interference.
It'd be good for the referees just to make the players go get that.
Well, he's made his point, and I agree with Gaultier. He's got to go through and play that. There's hardly any contact, and it's a very good length. That's why they need to nip it in the bud, otherwise you just get this annoyingly stop-start squash.
That's a nice shot from Golan. Got onto it very quickly, punched the ball straight through.
This is what he needs to do. He's whinging to the referees. There's no impact there at all. I don't know what's going on with his interpretation there, but he's getting it wrong every time. He's through to play the ball. He's no impact with Gaultier, and he's won the rally. Well, that's well played. Playing the ball, good to see from the Spaniard. There's the shutout. Didn't use his body too much at all there, just looking to play the ball, which is really good to see. Well, if he gets this, oh no.
Stroke to Golan.
You can review it.
Yeah.
Video review, please.
We're into a tie break, so he's got his ability to review.
On the stroke decision.
Do you think this is a stroke or?
Well, Gaultier thinks it is. He's gone as well.
No, he hasn't gone.
Well, we thought that.
Please stay on court, Mr. Gaultier. Mr. Gaultier, thank you.
I don't know.
Well, the thing is, can he hit? Has he got the front wall to hit?
He can't get to it, can he? I think it's going to stay as a stroke.
So it is a stroke.
Stroke to Golan.
So the Spaniard takes the second game. The three Spaniards in the crowd go absolutely bonkers.
Again, nice counter from Golan, showing the drive, using the strings, and again, normally you'd expect Gaultier to go get that.
Game ball.
So Gaultier really starting to look flat out there, and it's the passion of the ball that's got 5 game balls to take a 2-1 lead. That's brilliant play, quality play.
Hand out. 6-10 game ball.
So let's see how the Frenchman can fight back now. Was a great attack from Golan. So see the fist pump.
Well, the massive Ramos from Golan. There's the low kill. The forehand particularly has served the Spaniard really well in this third game.
That's going to be a let ball this time because Gaultier actually backed into Golan and it wasn't as tight.
3-2. Mr. Gaultier, you need to be careful on that. You're clearing a bit slow. I've seen that, Mr. Golan.
Warning to us before, don't repeat the same thing, please.
That's
That'll be a let ball.
Yes, let.
It's a let ball. No, it's a let ball. That one is a let ball.
Right. You are not cleared, Mr. Gaultier.
See it here.
You're not
It's
clear.
a definite let ball.
Yeah, the ball's not that tight. The power again being injected from Golan's racket.
That's going to be too good.
No let.
So Gaultier uses the skill, front left-hand corner. See Gaultier going, sorry, Golan going absolutely bonkers on the referee there, but it's an outrageous counter drop.
Game ball.
Oh, hits it straight.
Why didn't he hit that? Why didn't he hit that?
Stroke to Golan.
Oh, it's a stroke. No. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Hand out.
Wow, I just can't believe that. I can't comprehend this. I can't comprehend how that's
can that be a stroke? This is quite horrendous. There's no way that's a stroke. He's not in his swing.
He should have driven that straight, shouldn't he?
Well, he'd have won the rally if he'd have driven it straight. That is not a what is going on?
Wow.
Match ball of this complete street fight between the two Europeans.
What's it? I think that's going to be it. It's going to be all over.
Let 15-13.
Well, the no-let being given, Gregory Gaultier.
Wins 3-1.
And there's the celebration by El Toro and his 3 Spanish supporters. That was a very feisty affair, a real street fight. 80 minutes of stop-start squash. Borja Golan beats the #1 seed, Gregory Gaultier, 7-11, 12-10, 11-6, 15-13, 3 games to 1.